It's Ipsy Unboxing. Ipsy Unboxing. What's up, YouTube? It's Ray. Today we're back with another video, and you guessed it, you heard me right. It is Ipsy Unbox Day. Ipsy got my package to me on time. This month, if you watched my last Ipsy unboxing, you know Ipsy was tripping last month, and ooh, this is so cute. Ipsy was tripping last month, and I had to just like do a little ranty rant because they was tripping and they had made me mad. But it's a better month. I have my bag. It's on time. It's actually early. So let's go ahead and get into it. So standard Ipsy mailer. If you guys do not know, first of all, this video is not sponsored, but I'm gonna just give you a little bit of background information just in case, because I know different people come on YouTube or Google and search to figure out what type of beauty subscription service that they want. So just to give you just a little bit of background about Ipsy. So it's a monthly subscription service where you can pick, I believe it's 5 beauty products. Well, you don't get to pick them, but you don't get to pick your products, but what happens is whenever you sign up for Ipsy, they ask you a series of questions. Like they ask you like your hair color, your skin complexion, what type of products you prefer. Like, do you like skin products? Do you like nail products, hair products, makeup? They offer just a wide variety of things. So with that being said, they ask you a couple questions each whenever you sign up for Ipsy to kind of tailor your subscription to you to make sure that you get things that you actually want. And once a month, you get to, if you have just the regular Ipsy bag, you get to pick one product a month that you want. That's yours. And then Ipsy does pick the rest. Now with the Glam, this size, which is the size that we're gonna go over today, just the standard Glam bag, and I believe it's like $12, $12.99 a month. They bill you the first of each month, and normally I get my bag, today's the 14th. I normally get my bag by the 16th of each month, and I really haven't been disappointed, I'll say that disappointed so far. And then the Ipsy also offers the Glam Bag Plus, where it's full-size products. I don't know all the specs of that one because I don't have that one, but I will put Ipsy's information in the subscription box. If you want to check it out, girl, definitely go ahead. Let's go ahead and get into what I brought y'all here for, which was to open up my Glam bag with me. This is so cute. And on the back it says "Your Magic." I love it. This is so cute. And then the little thing is like a little moon and star, and I think that is because it's like trying to go with the like Halloween theme, I guess, maybe, because like witches be magic, girl. I don't know, but let's go ahead and open it. So inside there's a little card that says "Your Magic" with a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand. This month, cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap, let your intuition guide you to your goals. Learn all about this month's theme at ipsy.com. October 2020. It's got some information on the back. I know my light's a little bit bright. That tells you how you can win things, product sneak peeks, just a bunch of stuff. It's telling you, remember I told you guys you can choose your well, I didn't tell y'all that, but you can also add on things to your bag, and it says November 2nd is the date to do that. It tells me everything that I received in my bag. I know you guys can't see because my light is bright, and it says the products are valued at over $50. So, and I did choose my products, so I'm gonna go over with the first product which is the one that I actually chose. And the product that I actually chose that I wanted to really try this month was this product by Tarte. It is the Tinted Tarte Maracujá Tinted Hydrator in medium neutral. and this is a deluxe size sample, full size valued at $29. I really wanted to try this tinted moisturizer because I've been gravitating more towards like natural makeup looks lately, and I wanted to try a tinted moisturizer just so that I can kind of experiment with different looks, and I will be doing a look with this, so stay tuned. So this is the tinted moisturizer. Let me just open it up. I knew it was gonna have this look. I hate this little thing on the end that one was easy to take off, but oh, and this actually looks like it is like very close to my skin, so I'm very excited about this. It like blends in. I hope it blends in. I'm saying it blend in, but what if it don't? And it feels so good. Okay, so I'm excited about that. It's the tinted moisturizer, so stay tuned for that, y'all, because I will be doing a video on that. What else do I have in here? Radiant Glow highlighter. Ipsy loves sending me highlighters. I have gotten a highlighter in every bag, like every Ipsy bag I have gotten a freaking highlighter. This is very cute packaging. I love this little packaging. This is the Ibby Beauty Radiant Glow highlighter in 24 karat magic. The name does not lie. One swipe of this finely milled powder highlighter will give you rosy golden glow. It's valued at $14. So this is pretty. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna put some on my face so that you guys can see what it actually looks like. All right, you guys, so this is the highlight. I am glowing. I like this. I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I actually like that. All right, so what else do we have in the bag? What is this? Oh, okay. I have some brow gel, the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in the color light neutral. Okay, I don't think that's my eyebrow shade. I definitely don't think it is, but anyway, cool to have, I guess. Brow gel by Benefit. Okay, so what is this? Confidence Gel Lotion for all skin types. Let's read about this. What's not to love about a gel texture moisturizer? Our skin soaks this right up and we barely feel it on. It's packed with skin-loving ingredients like ceramides and cactus flower extract to help your skin glowing, and delivers up to 72 hours of intense hydration. Pop this in the fridge so it feels soothing and refreshing when you apply. And it says this is valued, the full size is valued at $36. So I'm very interested to try this because I've never tried a $36 moisturizer, so this must be really good. So let's see what else we got in the bag. All right, so the last thing that I got was this brush, and y'all, this is pretty. I love this brush. Let's read about this. So it says, we always look to the SLMISSGLAM for brushes with a touch of fun and sparkle, like this gorgeous brush with an emerald green handle. This synthetic bristles are super soft to touch and blend cream, powder, wet, or dry pigments with ease. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this says round blusher brush. So this looks like something that you would be able to apply highlight very well with, and it's very pretty. All right, you guys, so those were all the products that I received in my Ipsy bag for October, and y'all, I'm very excited about this bag. I love the moisturizer, both moisturizers. I got two moisturizers. I got the gel moisturizer and I got the tinted moisturizer. I love the brush, the little blush brush that came with it. I love that. And this bag is just so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to, I carry very small purses now, so you know, I don't put these in my purse anymore, but I just love having these around the house when I do go back to work, in my desk, at my office. I just really like these. So yes, I'm very excited, very happy with my products that I received. So if you guys have any questions or comments about anything, leave them down below in the description box. I would love to answer them for you. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.